following message is transmitted at the request of El Pozo County Police Department. Update 1 2 hours ago. Warning: 2 p.m. is a daylight time, 50 a.m. is daylight time in the police department. Character: Sheriff Office, 1:30 p.m. daylight time. New character: Simonids damage the buildings, damage structure, kill on it the family, kids not snappy. Simonids attack the people, causes the death. Simonids use a frying pan. Example: seriously dangerous and should be and taken seriously. At citizens: do not go see shutter because the interest doors locker the window. Do not go outside. Emergency, get a power whale. Stay inside, stay stationed. To the other media for more information on life-threatening situation.